Hello and welcome back. Today we'll be looking at SliverAppBars. And so essentially a SliverAppBar allows you to have a massive app bar like this, and when you scroll the app bar will change its form. So as you can see here, the app bar's changed from a picture now to a regular blue app bar, and so this is the code for it. So let's start off with our scaffold. So we have got a scaffold and the body is a custom scroll view, and so the second widget in our slivers is a sliver list, which has a delegate, which is essentially just a builder, like a list view builder, and it will just return a container with a color of white if it is odd, and gray if it's not odd, and then it will give it a height of 100, and the text of the index will be the child, and there's 20 of these. And now we can move on to the SliverAppBar. So we've given it an expanded height of 150, which essentially means from there to there, once we've fully scrolled all the way up, it's 150 pixels tall. And the flexible space, which is essentially this image, the thing that changes as we scroll, we have a flexible spacebar, and so we've given a title of SliverAppBar, a background with an image network that I pasted the link in, and we've given it a box fit. So if we wanted to pin this app bar to the top, all we need to do is come over here to our underneath our flexible space and set the pin variable to true. And if we hot reload, so we've hot reloaded, and as you can see, when we scroll down, instead of the app bar disappearing, the app bar gets pinned to the top. So if we wanted to change this behavior, what we could do is we'll comment out the pinned, and we'll change floating to true, and once we hot reload, we go over here, once we scroll down, you'll see that the app bar does disappear, but as soon as we start to scroll up, it appears, even though, as you can see, we're not at the top. We can also further change this with snap by setting that to true. So our app has reloaded, and once we scroll down, it'll scroll down as normal. Once we scroll up, you'll see that the app bar has instantly become full, while before with the floating, it would take some time before it became fully full. If we wanted to change the way the flexible space collapsed, we can go into our flexible space bar and change that to our collapse mode to collapse mode dot pin, and we hot reload that. And what happens is, whenever we collapse it, unlike before when it was parallax, it just has a different way of collapsing. So that's all I'll be teaching today about slivers. If you have any question, be sure to drop them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.